Most contractors think good work automatically brings good reviews. That's the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because in reality, even your best clients forget to leave feedback unless you guide them. Here's the truth no one tells you. Reviews don't come from satisfaction alone. They come from timing, process, and how easy you make it for the client. In this video, you'll learn how to get more reviews as a contractor in 2026, how to build a simple system that collects them automatically, and how to avoid awkward asking situations that hurt your reputation. Let's break it down. First, understand why reviews matter so much. When a homeowner searches for a contractor, they don't compare prices first. They compare trust. And reviews are that trust signal. Now here's where most people fail. They wait until days after the job, and then send a random message asking for a review. By that time, the client has moved on. Let's take an example. Jake finishes a plumbing job, shakes hands, and leaves. No follow-up. No review request. He gets nothing. Meanwhile, Alex finishes the same job but sends a review request immediately before leaving the property. Alex gets 5-star reviews regularly. Timing changes everything. Step 1 is to ask at the right moment. The best time is right after completing the job, when the client is happiest. That's when satisfaction is highest and effort is lowest. Step 2 is to make it effortless. Don't just say, "Please leave a review." That's where people drop off. Instead, send a direct link to your Google review page or your profile on platforms like Jobber where clients can click and review in seconds. But here's the problem. Even with good timing and links, many clients still forget. That's why follow-up matters. Step 3 is automation. Tools like QuickBooks Online or Jobber can automatically send polite review requests after job completion. This removes emotional pressure from you and keeps your process consistent. Now here's where it gets interesting. The wording of your request matters more than you think. Instead of asking for a review, ask for feedback about their experience. People are more likely to respond when it feels natural and not forced. Step 4 is building a habit loop. Every completed job should trigger a review request. No exceptions. That consistency is what separates businesses with 10 reviews from those with hundreds. In a minute, here's the simple mindset shift that makes this easy. You are not begging for reviews. You are helping happy clients share their experience so others can find a reliable contractor. To wrap it up, getting more reviews in 2026 is about timing, simplicity, and automation. Ask immediately, make it easy, and follow up consistently. If you do this right, your reputation will grow faster than your advertising budget. If this helped, like the video, comment how many reviews you currently have, and subscribe for more contractor growth strategies.